In this lesson, you are going to learn how to build titles and optimize your listings to align with eBay search engine optimization. We covered this topic on the first lesson in this chapter, the eBay algorithms and how it works. If you need a refreshment about this and how the eBay algorithm work, I suggest you to go and rewatch it before you watch this video. Now, we are going to demonstrate on this product here. It's a 10-pack expanding file folder, okay? We found that this product sell on Amazon for $6.89, sell on eBay for $11.99. There is $3.12 profit. There is 5 sales in the last 30 days and 10 competitors. It fits our criteria. Now, what we want to do is we want to open the listings on eBay. We want to review the listing of our competitor. We want to see the title. We want to see if there is any deals here, of course. We can learn from it as well. We want to see the item specific and the description. And we want to make sure our title is better than our competitor. We have a better price. If we can offer this volume pricing will be great as well. And that we have better item specific and better description. Let's start with the title. For the title, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the title builder. It's here. I will open it in a new tab. And I'll make sure it's on the right setting so you can see location United States, sales date range 30 days, and marketplace eBay. And then I will go to my listing and I will look for the keyword that define this product. So this is expanding file folder. So it's a file folder, I would say. The general keyword is file folder. So I'll copy the general keyword only, the keyword that define the niche, and I'll put it here into the title builder and I'll hit the search button. In a couple of seconds, Zeke will pull the result and break it down to 2 different groups. On the left side, you will find the long tail keyword group. Here you will see keywords that have at least 2 or 3, and you will see the average searches, competition, how many people are using, how many listings are using these keywords, and the sales this phrase generated. On the right side, you will see generic keywords. You will see just one keyword, the average searches and sales. Now, just to give you background about what is long tail keyword and why it's important. If someone going and searching for a specific product, he will not just write file or letter or folders, right? He will look for folders letter, for file folders Manila, for file folders letter, for hanging file folder. These are the keywords he will look for because he look for something specific. So we want to make sure that we have these phrases in our title. So after I've run the search and I get the data, I will prepare for optimizing the title. So I will come here and I will copy the title and I will paste it here into the title builder. Now, what I can do is I can see how to improve this title using these keywords. But the first step that I will do is I will try to remove all unnecessary keywords. So for instance, 10-pack is important. Expanding file folder important, pockets, letter, document, paper, storage, office color, they're all seems to be important, right? From the way I see it, the less important is color because you can see color is nowhere here, right? So I can remove color and I'll already free 6 characters. As you can see, we can put in eBay title maximum 80 characters. So here I have a counter that show me now I have 74 characters in use and 6 free. So if I will make 1 space, it's 5 free. So I can add another keyword which is with 5 characters max. So what I want to do, and this is important to understand the logic behind the optimization of the title, I don't want to change the winning title too much. I know that expanding file folder and all these keywords here in the middle, they work, they generate sales, right? It works. So I don't want to change it. I just want to make a little change, which I will usually prefer to have this change in the end to make sure my title is not a copycat. To make it unique but still use the winning keywords of my competitor. Because if we look here, if we look on the statistics, we know this title works. It generates 5 sales here, right? It works. He make profit from this product. So I want to keep the root of it and I just want to add something. Now, first of all, I'll try to see if there is any long tail phrase that I can adjust here. So let's see if we have here files, folders, Manila. I don't know what Manila means, so I will avoid it. Always avoid something you don't know. The keywords folders, letter, size. So the keyword size, we don't have it. So we have folder, we have letter, we don't have size. So this is something I would definitely try to add, because folder letter size, these phrase have 14 competition, 14 listings unit, but 158 sales. So by adding here the keyword size, I'm good to go. Okay, that's it. I put 79 characters. I have a unique title because I use keyword my competitor is not using, but I kept everything almost the same. Another things you can do, you can move on here and you can look for other things like organizer. The keyword organizer, for example, or cabinet, or interior. I would say what make more sense is using organizer. Take this as example, hanging organizer file. So organizer file, okay, we have expanding file. If organizer file have 7 competitors and 100 sales. This is a lot, guys. This is very good. So I want to see if there is a way I can put it here. Okay. Now organizer, the keyword organizer takes a lot of space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 characters. So I need to get rid of a lot of characters here. So I don't know what characters I can get rid of to make it work, and I don't want to destroy it. So if you're not sure about what to do, copy this title, list it to your store, that's it, you're good to go. If you want to be a little bit more enthusiastic, you can try to put organizer here instead of pockets, for instance, okay? Or instead of documents, document, paper, storage, office. So instead of one of the two, document is big, so I will maybe try to put instead of this or organizer, and here we are. So we have 10 pack, expanding file folder, pockets, letter, organizer, paper, storage, office size. Now we have even more different things, plus we added a keyword that we know generated sales and have less competition, right? So now you have your title good to go. You copy the title and you put it into your listings and you upload the product to your store. Now, the next things to do is to see how do we optimize our item specific. Item specific is very important. We want to always use only relevant information. We don't want to spam it. So for item specific, I will literally go here, open the product on Amazon, okay? And I will look on the item specific on Amazon and what they're using. What is the information here? Manufacturer, part number, colors, sizes, inches. I will add all this information. I will literally add all this information. Maybe not the item model number, but the product dimension, item weight, the brand, the manufacturer I can add. And then I can try to see if there is even more information about this product. Okay, I can try to go to the description here and see if there is anything else I want to see that I can add, like the expand, pictures, the paperwork, all these things. It's good for what? This is to manage papers and documents for all kinds of the office, home, school, and anywhere in between. So I will want to make sure I add this information here. I don't want to spam eBay with stupid keywords, okay? Or I don't want to repeat using keywords and spam eBay. I want to put here real information. Color, size, material, functionalities, compatibility, features, anything useful people may search for on eBay if they will search for file organizer or file folder, okay? Then the description, I'll always try to keep simple. I like to make the title with more keywords than the title in the listing itself, because here you don't have limit. But this is good example for good listings in terms of the simple title, description, bullet points, and that's it. I will never use the template that the lister offer you. You're gonna get more information about it in the next video when we're gonna list products directly, okay? But you want to have your own unique template and low HTML, not too many graphics and pictures. So this is all about listing optimization. I took my time to explain you here so you understand, but this process has to be very quick. You should look in the title, see which keywords you can remove, which keywords you can add, and that's it. Look into the item specific, see what things you can add, which are important. You can always look on Amazon information and quickly see, edit, and that's it. Keep things simple, make it efficient, and don't waste too much time on it. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next lesson.